just recently joined the Medicube Ambassadors program. So I've been meaning to shoot this video for a very long time now, and I've been postponing it. So today is the day I shoot this video, and I want to be showing you guys a box that was sent to me from Medicube, and I want to unbox this with you guys. Yes, so do this. So as I said, I'm going to unbox this with you guys, and you also know that skincare works hand in hand with makeup. You need to have a good and clear skin to be able to have a clear canvas for your makeup to sit on. And if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Esther Ese, a Lagos-based model, makeup artist, and content creator. You'll go to Gelly for all things beauty, fashion, and inspiration. And if you're returning subscribers, hello Shrillas, how you all doing today? So I'm going to be unboxing this with you. As I said, I recently just joined the Medicube Ambassadors program, and they sent this to me, so I've been wanting to shoot a boxy video for it, so we're going to be doing it today. I'm going to show you what's in the box, so let's just do this now. As you can see, they sent a bunch of things. Yippee! I'm so happy. But I'm just going to just show you guys each and every product sent and how good they are for your skin. So if you need to get some Medicube products, you know the gelly. So the first thing on our list today is the April Skin Carotene IPMP Hydro Melt Cleansing Balm, one step makeup remover. Oh no! For those who do makeup every day like me, this is one of the most easiest steps. You just need to get that all in to melt that makeup off and just cleanse with your wipes, and you see your face will feel so clean and so how do I explain it? So clean so fast. So clean so fast. So if you just do this one step makeup remover on your skin, you will see it works so good. Just look at it. This is it. And it smells so good, guys. It smells so good. Let me show you. I've been using it. I started using it. It smells so good, guys. Move on to the next product. As you all know, you need to get, if you want to easily get your makeup off your face and do 2 to 3 makeup in a day, this is one of the most easiest things you need just to get that all out. So the next is our, how do I explain this? This is April Skin We Calendula Peel-Off Pack. I think I shot a video of this on my Instagram. You can go check it out. It's so good, and it's peel off all the gunks from your pores. Man! I said you just need to apply this all over your face, let it dry down, then peel it off. You will see almost all the gunks from your pores. Those blocked pores in your skin that makes your skin look so dull. You can also use it for any other part of your body except from your face. No, you use it for your face too, but if you want to use it for any part of your body, yes, it's also good. Moving on. Oh, I didn't show you guys. What it looks like inside. Sorry. It looks like this. Ta-la-la! It looks like this. It's so good. And let's not talk about the fragrance. Let's not talk about it. It's not bad. It's so good. It's so eatable. That's the word. It's so eatable. I'm in love with this. I'm in love. The next one is our Medicube Kojic Acid Turmeric Pack. This is what it looks like. And it's it has glycolic acid. I've been dreaming to have glycolic acid all my life because it clears so many skin issues. So now that I do have it, I am not missing out on telling you guys how smooth my skin looks every time I do my makeup. So this is how it looks. This is how it comes. Oh, sorry. It comes in this with this picker. I can pick up 1 or 2 pieces. It's like a toner pad. Look at it. These toner pads are good for your skin all over. It has glycolic acid, it has kojic acid, it has turmeric. So it's not just only an exfoliating pad. It's like it's also lightening your skin, I think, because of the kojic acid and the turmeric. Yes, I don't think when you use this you should go out. I think it's better when you use it and put on sunscreen before you go out. So yeah, this is so cute, and it's the package is so nice, like I showed you guys. Moving on to the next. Yeah, moving on to the next. Moving on to the next, the Medicube pink serum. This is it. I hope you guys have seen it. Ugh, the blur in focus. You guys seen it? It looks like this inside. This makes your skin shine. I tried it a few times and my skin would shine anytime I use it. Should we try it now so you see? This. If I try it on my face, my skin glows. You can see my skin is not really glowing because I just washed my face and there's no product applied to me. But we can try it now so you can see the glow it gives you, the glow after I fed this serum, this tiny pink thing. This tiny pink serum gives you. I'm going to show you. Like I said, this serum makes your skin glow. So I'm going to show you guys on camera. Look at it. Oh my god. It makes your skin glow, like really glow. So I'm going to show you guys. I just like massage it and pat it into my skin, and you see the glow. I'm going to show you guys the glow. No. Tell me something. Just tell me something. Was I glowing like this before I started this video? Was I glowing? Just no. Are you seeing? Now you can see the reflection of my light in this spot. Now you can literally see it because my skin is. Let me come close to the camera. My skin. Okay, you can see the reflection of light, the sunlight. Look at my skin now. I applied that and my skin is glowing extra.
Help me!
Oh my god! No, for real, Medicube, you good. You good. You good. I feel so awake now. Let's move on. So this was sent to me. This one of the most. This one I love the most. No, I love all of them. I can't choose. It's so scattered. This video is so scattered. I'm sorry. If you don't know Esther Essay. I'm not trying to be funny, but I'm just trying to show you guys how I am in real life. Anyways, let's move on to the next one. The next one that was sent to me is the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Max. So this like type of max, like the first one, that's the Real Calendula Pillar Max, is also like it. But this is for nights and just like I think it's just like putting your face at night to rejuvenate your dull skin. So when you wake up in the morning, you look so bright. I think this is for exfoliating and bringing out dirt from your pores. It also fades black or white heads and remove acne spots. While this is just like clear or remove dark your dull skin overnight. Yes, so this is how it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over social media before. I'm sure you have seen this all over social media. Ah, it's so shiny. It's so shiny and it smells so good. Yeah, it's so nice. Overnight, it's just rejuvenate your skin and make your skin look new and clean and flawless by the time you wake up. So it's like woo, a magic. It also came with this. I think it also came with this. That's like a stuff that I can use to apply it all over my face. It's fluffy. It's like, it's also rated as medicube, I think. Yeah, as you can see. The autofocus is not letting you guys see this product well. If you watch my other videos on social media, you see I showed them. The next one is the April Skin Keratin IPMP Clearing Solution. Yes, I also make a video about this and this on Instagram, so check it. This one, very good. This, like I said before, it's like a clearing solution. This is what we put on your face. This is how it looks like. This is what you put on your face after you've exfoliated, and you'll know that you've gotten all those gunk out of your skin. So this is like a clearing solution. This is what you just use to fade. I think this is awarded as Alore's best. Yes, it's awarded as Alore best product. See Alore, yes, for skin acne and acne spots. This is so good. It has faded overnight. Let me show you. Other pimples of recent, as you can see the spots, right? You can see the spots. This cleared it within just 2 days. It was big. Yeah, it was big, but it cleared it within 2 days. Just a spot that is there, and it's going to clear it. I'm going to show you guys this after a few weeks or few weeks. Yes, a few weeks. I'm going to just remind me or somewhere in the comment section or somewhere. So I'll show you guys this in a few weeks. You see, this cleared it within 2 days. I'm not lying, for real. Within 2 days, it cleared that pimples, and I was shocked. So this is good. This is good. Moving on to the next product that was sent. As you remember this. Moving on to the next product that was sent. That is the Jelly Max Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. This. It's, how do I explain it? It's like a hydrating cream. It's like an hydrating cream. Oh god. The autofocus is on my phone is really bad. This is like an hydrating cream where you just rub on your face, and it's like hydrates you even more and gives you that extra glow. So this is how it comes, and it comes with this small scoop, so you can just scoop it from the pack. Let me show you guys the inside. It's come, oh my lord, this pulled off. This, let me show you. It usually comes with this cover on. It usually comes with this cover on, so it's pulled off with the cap anyways, because I've been using it. So this, yeah, you pull it off and it looks like this inside. So you just easily like scoop out the cream with this. It's like a jelly. I will explain. It's like a jelly. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, I think I applied too much.
OMG.
Don't blame me. I'm medicube blind. I'm medicube blind. Yo! I'm going to show you how this jelly cream just makes my skin glow extra with that serum. Those two are the best combo, yo! Let me show you real quick. I'll put this here. Let me come closer to the camera. Yeah? Oh, it got in my hair. So this is me massaging the Medicube jelly cream into my skin, and you can see the reflection, right? It's glowing, yo. It's glowing. I have never felt so, how I explain it? My skin has never felt so hydrated before. I think most times I use petroleum jelly to make my skin feel hydrated, but sometimes it gets really sticky. So this Medicube jelly cream is not sticky at all. See, It's not sticky, it just even gives my skin more bounce. It gives my skin more bounce than normal. And it's really, really hydrating. Like, so hydrating to the point that you can literally see it on the face. I look more alive like than when I started this video. Yes or yes. Let me apply this on my neck. I'm in love. I'm medicube jelly, collagen jelly, cream pie. I think it's meant for face, but I'm applying it over my body. But jokes apart, I look more alive than when I started this video. From this cream alone. Yeah. I think I'm obsessed with this cream, this jelly cream. It's, where is it? Where is it? Come on! This. I think I'm obsessed with it right now. This is one of my best to me. It makes my skin feel so hydrated. It's not sticky and gives my skin that extra bounce and extra shine. After I just use that pink serum and I go in with this, I feel like a baby bum bum. So fresh. Like I said, as you can see, the shine is caused by the Medicube collagen cream. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Does it? So good, guys. I think out of all the products sent to me, no, I love all of them. I can't choose. I'm so sorry. I love this. I love all of them. So let me just move on to the last one. I think I dropped the box at the back. Let's move on to the last one. This is April Skin TXA Purity 99% niacinamide toning shots 99 serum. Look at the name. This eye looks like inside. I've not really started using this yet because I don't think I've not really started using it yet, but when I start using it, I'll give you guys a review big time. But I love all the products. This one too. This is what was also sent to the package. Yeah, I've not started using it, so there's no way for me to start bragging about it here. But I know it's gonna be good because just look at what just two products did to my face when I showed you guys example. So as I said, skincare and makeup work hand in hand. You really need to have a good and clear skin before you apply any makeup, and you really need to know what your skin type and skin tone and skin undertone is. So if you haven't watched all that, you go back to all my past videos, like I said, or you can see the full stack video so you can easily just find it, as I said. So this and all this are just the products sent to me from Medicube. I'm just going to wrap this up so quick. So these are literally all the products Medicube sent to me. The other focus is making it blur at the background. Yeah. This is literally all the products sent to me by Medicube. And I really do love each and every one of them so much. And you also do know that you need to have a really good skin to apply makeup on. You cannot have dead skin cells on your skin and apply makeup and you expect your makeup to be smooth and flawless like what you see in pictures. You need to exfoliate and you need most times to have a good skincare routine. So that's really all for it. I hope I get the chance to do more unboxing videos. If I get more brands to send me products, yes, I will do more unboxing videos like this. And if you really do enjoy this video, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and also comment down below and say please more brands send her products so she can do more videos like this and show you. Yes, because yeah, you know what my YouTube channel is for, to tell you guys what's the main thing that will help you with your skin and your hair and your makeup and your fashion, and also doing your makeup too, because that's what I teach you. So I think that's really all for it today. I hope to see you guys next time in my other video. And as usual, oh my god, and as usual, shine bright and see you in the next video. Bye.